Examtrix 99 YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about static GK. Static GK important for IBPS, SPI, RRB, NTPC, SSC, UPSC, other competitive exams. In this video, help and each and everyone for studying covering static GK important for all exam. Let's begin the question and answer. Let's begin the question and answer. What is the rank of India in the recently released International Intellectual Property Index 2020? What is the rank of India in the recently released International Intellectual Property Index 2020? 40, 40, 40, 40. As per the annual report of SPRL, which country is the highest military spender in the world? Annual report SPRL, which country is the highest military spender in the world? United States. United States country. Which international organizations has released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? Which international organizations has released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? UNCTAD. UNCTAD. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. What is the rank of India in the Doing Business Report 2020? What is the rank of India in the Doing Business Report 2020 after the recent update of the World Bank? Rank of India in the Doing Business Report 2020 after the recent update of the World Bank 63 answer. Which organizations released a report titled Aging Water Infrastructures and Emerging Global Risk? Which organizations released a report titled Aging Water Infrastructures and Aging Global Risk? United Nations. United Nations. Who published the report on the Global Social Mobility Index? Global Social Mobility Index. World Economic Forum. Global Social Mobility Index. World Economic Forum answer. What is the India ranking in? India ranking in World Press Freedom Index. World Press Freedom Index 2019 140. World Press Freedom Index year 2019 140. Which organization has released the provisional 2020 State of the Global Climate Report? 2020 State of the Global Climate Report, WMO. WMO, World Meteorological Organizations. World Meteorological Organizations. The Smuggling in India Report 2019-20 year report is associated with which organizations? The Smuggling in India Report 2019-20 report is associated with which organizations? DRI, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Which country has topped the World Press Freedom Index 2019? World Press Freedom Index 2019? Sweden. Year 2019, Sweden. What is the India ranking in World Digital Competitiveness Index 2019 year? India ranking in World Digital Competitiveness Index 2019 44. What is India ranking in Global Peace Index 2019 year? India ranking in Global Peace Index 2019 141. India ranking in Global Peace Index 2019 141. National game of Czech Republic, Sebuk Takrawa. Czech Republic, Sebuk Takrawa. National game of Haiti, football. National game of Antigua and Barbuda. Cricket. Rugargela is situated on the bank of which river? Brahmani. National game of Argentina. National game of Argentina. Pata. National game of Argentina. Pata. Argentina Pata. National game of Australia. Cricket. National game of Australia. Cricket. National game of Brazil. Capoeira. National game of Brazil. Capoeira. National game of Canada. Ice hockey. National game of Canada. Ice hockey. National game of Bangladesh. Kabaddi. National game of Bangladesh. Kabaddi. National game of Cuba. Baseball. National game of Cuba. Baseball. Indira Gandhi International Airport is located at Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport is located at Delhi place. Headquarters of International Shooting Sport Federations is located in which city? Headquarters of International Shooting Sport Federations ISSF is located in which city? Munich. The biggest dome in the world is located at which place? Bijapur. The biggest dome in the world is located at which place? Bijapur. Mumbai Gold Cup is associated with which game? Hockey. Mumbai Gold Cup is associated with which game? Hockey. What is the capital city of Ukraine? Capital city of Ukraine, Kyiv. Idiki Dam is situated in which state? Kerala. Idiki Dam is situated in which state? Kerala. Idiki Dam is situated in which state? Kerala. Uri Dam is situated on which river? Jhelum. Upper Manir Dam is located in which state? Upper Manir Dam is located in which state? Telangana. Thank you to all.